Okay, so today we are going to learn about special tool that is called Lex and Yak. They are duo, duo because they used together. Lex and Yak used together. So let me tell you a little bit the history of Lex and Yak. Actually, Lex and Yak are used for Unix operating system. They are originally developed for Unix operating system. When GNU project has been developed by Richard Stallman, he has incorporated the Lexania in his project. So we have version, we have the very old version of Unix as well. We have version for GNU. I'm going to use the GNU Lexania. So let me remind you one thing. Originally, Lex and EAC has been developed for C and C++, especially for C, then for C++. But so basically, as it is developed for C and C++, all the Lex and other stuffs, Lex and EX stuffs, they are actually wrapped around C and C++ language. So they are actually basically nothing but written in C, C++, and their working method and their structure, everything is like C, C++. But there are some other third-party tools as well, third-party libraries as well. For example, if you use Python, there is a library called PLY, so you can use PLY. The structure is like original Lexania, but it is wrapped around Python. So you have to use it like a Python language. I don't know any other Lexia libraries, third-party libraries, but I know that Python do have. That is called Ply. Besides Lexania, there are some few other this kind of tools, compiler generator tools are there, but I don't recommend you to use those things. So it is up to you. If you people are familiar with those, if you want to use those, you can use. But I will recommend you to use Lex and Yak. Now, Lex and Yak are called compiler. Can you tell me why it is called compiler? Why there is two compiler there? Do you have any idea? It is called compiler. Why?
It is used to compile a compiler.
That means it is creating a compiler. Good. So it is a mother of compiler. It's a compiler generator. So they are not actually one tool. They are two tools. One is called Lex, another one is called Yak, and they work together. They are due, and they are called compiler. Because they generate compiler. Okay, so because they generate compiler and they are due, they are working together. After sometimes that software development is a iterative process, then they come up with better Lex and Yak version. They call it Flex, and Yak is called Bison. Same thing, but developed Lex and Yak. Today we are going to use Flex and Bison. They are faster actually, faster. Now all these names, Lex, Yak, Flex, Bison, they have a commonalities. Do you know the commonalities? What is the commonality about those names? Can you understand? The the secret is in this word. What is bison? What is bison? You know what is bison? Bison is a kind of, yes. Bison is a kind of a deer, and flex is also a kind of deer. Lex is also a kind of deer. Yak is also a kind of deer. So all those four are actually similar kind of deer. Okay, so remember this word secrecy.
Similar type of what, sir?
Similar type of deer. Deer. You don't know deer?
Odin.
Deer. deer. বাংলা যেটাকে বলে হরিণ, deer.
Yes, sir.
Horin, deer. Okay. So let's start. Let's start with the structure. Structure. How can you write something using Lexania? Structure of lex. All course in lex is divided to 3 parts. All course in the legs is divided to 3 parts. So this is my part 1. This is my part 2. This is my part 3. And they are separated by this sign. Double percentage. So you are going to write first part, then you are going to give double percent, then the tool understand you are going to second part, then you are going to give another double percent, then you are going to write third part. So this is the structure of this. Now what is first part? What you are going to write in first part? First part you are going to write C++ declaration. C++ declaration. That means in your code, if you use some sort of libraries, for example, if you use inside your code printf, scanf, or some sort of this kind of functions, then actually you have to let know the program, the compiler, that I'm using these functions. That's why you include the libraries. So that's why whenever you want to put C++ declarations, headers, you have to put those inside here in the part 1. And there's a special structure. All the headers should be included inside %, curly brace, then curly brace, %. Inside this, you will put all the headers or any kind of libraries. Is it clear to you guys? Is it clear? Okay. Now, what is actually lex? We know that lex is nothing but lexical analysis. The meaning of lexical and lex is lexical analysis. Okay. Now, what would be the second part? How can it understand the special pattern using a special thing you all know, which is called regex. We are going to use regex. And the way you are going to use regex in lex, it has some special rules. We are going to discuss this later. So in the part 2, in the left side, you are going to write regex. In the right side, you are going to write action. Regex, then action. Each regex followed with the action, if you want to put any action. And part 3, you are going to write your own function. So this is the overall structure of the text. Do you have any query? You can ask.
Sir, what do actions do?
Action does, let's assume something like this. I'm going to give you an example. I match something, then I want to print something. It might be action. Whenever I get this, I'm going to print this. So printing is an action, and your pattern is the regex. Okay? Don't worry, I'm going to give you an example.
Basically
Now,
like routing, sir.
Routing?
এর মতন আছে?
No, nothing like routing. Nothing like that. This of yours. It is nothing like routing. No relation with routing. Regex is a pattern matcher. You are going to give a pattern. Then, if that pattern is matched, you are going to do some actions. Don't worry, I'm going to give an example. Now let's come to YAC structure. YAC is called yet another compiler. Yet another compiler. It also has 3 parts. part 1, part 2, and part 3. Each part is separated by double percent. Okay, so again, C++ declaration that should be put inside percentile, curly brace, percent. This should be put over here. Then you need to write something. For example, let's talk about the part 2. What is the part 2? In part 2, you are going to write the context free CFG, and second part would be action. The difference you see, Lex is a lexical analyzer. That's the part 2 is regex and action. Yet another compiler is a compiler. That's why context free grammar and action. Now, after part 1, putting the headers, next you have to write how to interpret the CFG. So it is like all about the definition of CFG. What is the start symbol? What is each terminal? What is its variables? Those are going to be defined here. And part 3 is like same again. Write your own part. Is it clear to you guys? Do you have any query?
Write your own functions means what?
For example, you want to do some sort of sorting, or if you want to do some sort of error checking, or you want to create some special type of data structure. Those codes should be in the part 3. Those should be in the part 3.
Part 3 contains my custom code.
Your custom code, right? Whatever custom codes you want to put, those should be there.
Okay, sir.
All right. But most important part is this two. This one. Regex and action, and here context with grammar and action. And if you want to massage with those, you have to write those things there. Now let's talk about the legs. What is the structure? We are talking about the leg structure now. How to write regex in legs. How to write regex in legs. I'm going to show a book, very famous book written by O'Reilly, and I have already actually give the name of the book in your course outline. Today I'm going to show you the structure of regex in legs. But before starting, always remember these two rules. Number 1, first come, first serve. Number 2, maximum munch. You understand these two lines, am I right? First come, first serve. What is the meaning of this?
So it's a queue.
No, it is not a data structure. First come, first serve is not a data structure. It's a concept. What is the concept of this?
Basically, who requests first gets the action.
Who would be appear first? Who would be appear first? He would be satisfied first. This is the concept. And queue data structure follow this concept. Good. And what is maximal munch?
Month.
Munch.
So I have no idea.
Maximal munch. Maximal munch means, for example, just I'm going to give an example. For example, I have regex 1 and I have regex 2. I have regex 1 and regex 2. Two patterns are there. I have given a string. Then string 1 matches this pattern and this pattern both. Which one it is going to take? String 1 matches regex 1 and regex 2 both. But which one it is going to take?
The first one.
The first one, because of the first command. So follow this. Because of 1. Now, second row. Let's assume I have regex 1 and regex 2. I have two strings. String 1 concatenate with string 2. String 1 only matches regular expression 1. Okay? But string 1 concatenated with string 2 together matches regular expression 2. Which one I'm going to take?
The second one.
Second one, because of the maximal match. So this is the maximal match. Follow this because of 2. So this is the maximal match. It will always try to match highest. If both are equal, there is a tie, then it is going to take the first one. Did you get it? Don't worry, I'm going to give a lot of examples. Now let's go to structure. I'm going to open the book and show you the structure of regex index.
The maximal
Don't worry.
match basically takes the longest matching, right?
Longest matching, right? It is taking the longest matching. And whenever there is a tie, both are matching the same. It is also always going to the first regex, which appears first. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's go over there. Let's open the book. The book is very important. All the rules are there. Almost all the rules. What is my book? It's most probably in H folder. That should have IUB. Yes, there is IUB. And compiler. Bicycle. Most probably this book, flexing bicycle. Very big book. Into one page. Yes, I got that. So I'm going to present it now. Where are you guys? Yeah. Present now. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this?
No, sir.
You don't show the presentation?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just
So we
seeing the
can see the
presentation. How about right now? Did you see the
Yes, sir.
book?
Yeah.
Good. It is mirrored, right? It is mirrored. Is it mirrored or correct?
It's
Correct, sir.
perfect.
It's perfect. Okay. So regular expression. The first one. The first thing is this one. Whenever you put this dot, it means it is going to match any character. It is going to match any single character except new line. Did you understand?
So can you repeat, please?
Whenever you put this dot, it is going to match any character except new line. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. That dot represents every character in ASCII, like all
It
alphanumeric
must not
characters.
represent. It is going to match. For example, you have given this dot. Okay. If you've given this dot, and for example, your string is, let's say, Bijoy. That is in like this.
Sir, the presentation is mirrored.
Yes. Good. For example, your regex is this. Your regex is just only this dot, and your action is like this. Action is print. Let's say 1. What will be the output? Can you tell me? What will be the output? At first, it gets B matches, so print 1. Then it gets I matches, print 1. Then it gets J matches, print 1. Then it gets O matches, print 1. Then it gets Y matches, print 1. If you have a, just after this one, you have a new line like this, then it is not going to do anything. So except new line, it is going to match any single characters. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand or not? Okay, so this is the first rule. Now let's go to second rule. What is the second rule? Square bracket. This is called character class. For example, like this. If you give square bracket A, B, C, what it is going to match? What it is going to match?
Either A or B or C.
Either A or B or C. Matching A or B or C. Now you can also define the range. For example, if you define this way, small a to G, this is the range. What it is going to matching? Matching
Everything from
small a up to G, all the small characters. Now if you give like this, if you give capital A to capital G, small a to small g, 0 to 9, what it is going to matching?
All
Matching
alphanumeric
all alphanumerics. Good. All alphanumerics. Now you can ask me, sir, how can, so if you give this question, then comma, question, and something like this, let's say 1, what it is going to matching? Comma or question
question
or
of 1.
1. Now you can tell me, sir, how can you match this dash? Simple. If you really want to match dash, as dash is the special meaning inside the square bracket, so if you really want to match dash also, you have to put dash at the very beginning. Then if you give A to G, it is going to matching, dash, or A to G. Is it clear to you guys? If you really want to match dash, you can put it like this.
Sir, backslash দিয়ে skip করা যাবে না?
হ্যাঁ না ব্যাকস্ল্যাশের ব্যবহার ইয়াতে নাই মানে প্রত্যেকটা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে এটা তো পজিক্স তো ইট ফলোস দ্য পজিক্স জাভাস রেগেক্স ডিফারেন্ট ফ্রম পাইথন রেগেক্স different from PHP regex. Everyone has their own convention of regex. This is very crude regex formulas. So here there is no delimiters or some sort of escape character parameter. It is following the very basic of the regex expressions. The very basic style of regex expression. That is the POSIX standard. So you remember, it is different, okay? It is POSIX standard.
Okay, sir.
There are two standards of regex. One is called POSIX standards and another one is called Perl standard. All modern language follows the Perl standard. So there is a difference. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it follows the POSIX standard. POSIX is the very elementary regex style. If you really, for him.
Yes, sir.
If you really want to use Python ply, please read before that one. Is it following POSIX or Perl standard? Otherwise, it would be mess. Okay. Now let's go to next one. Next one. Let's go to this one. Then. So next one. Next one is, we have already talked about this. Fine, it does not mean. Okay, so caret. What caret means? What's the meaning of caret?
Start symbol.
Yes, caret matching the start symbol, but it has actually dual meanings. Caret is actually has dual meaning. One meaning is start symbol. One meaning is start symbol. For example, if you give it like this, A to G caret, then A to G caret, then if you give A to small g 0 to 9, what it is going to match?
String that starts with cap.
Definitely that
letters.
starts with yes. Definitely the string starts with capital letter. So that is the reason, because after caret there is the capital A to G. So definitely it should start with the capital letter. But caret also means negation. For example, if you write A to G, inside this bracket, if you give a caret symbol, what is the meaning of this?
Anything that is not capital letters.
Not start with yes. Good. Completely opposite.
Does not get.
Not starts with capital symbol. So remember, caret has a dual meaning. One caret is inside bracket or quotation mark. It is completely different. Not starts with capital. Or if you give something like this, for example, Bijoy, and if you give this quotation mark, what it is going to match? What it is going to match? It is matching the string Bijoy. But if you give Bijoy, just before Bijoy, if you give a caret symbol, what it is going to matching? What it is going to matching?
Not Vijay.
Anything except Bijoy. It is going to match anything except Bijoy. So this is the case, okay? So remember, Anything except digit. Now let's go to next one. So you know the dollar symbol. The people who are familiar with actually the regex little bit, they know dollar symbol. What is dollar symbol? What is dollar symbol?
Last character.
Last character. So something like this. For example, dollar symbol. Dollar symbol match the last character. So for example, if I give A to G, just before it, outside bracket caret, then A to G, capital A to G, 0 to 9, then finally if I give 0 to 9, dollar symbol. What is the meaning of this? What is the
So
meaning
these
of
are
this?
all the
String that starts with capital letters.
Starts with capital letter
ends with number.
followed with কতটা লিখতে হবে, followed with any alphanumeric, then ends with digits, So this is the meaning of this. All right, you understand. Now let's go to next one. So caret, braces. Good. Braces is wonderful. Braces. Number of appearance. Number of appearance. So if you give A to G, what it is going to match? If you give A to G, what is it going to match? Match one character of A to G. One character. It is matching only one, by default one. Now if you give A to G,
Sir,
yes.
sir, your screen is showing your book.
Oh, okay. Problem. So if you give A to G, it is going to match only one character of A to G, A up to G. Now if you write A to G 5, what it is going to match?
5 characters.
5 characters of A to G. Now if you give A to G 1 comma nothing, then what is it is going to match? Match one, at least one, up to infinity. If you give A to G 1 comma 5, match 1 between 5, between 1 and 5. Did you get it?
So 1 and 5 character.
1 and 5 characters of A to G.
Sir, last একটা example দিতে পারবেন?
Just an example, মানে?
একটা string দিয়ে 1 to 5.
Okay, so if you write A to G 1 to 5, if you write Arif, it is going to match because Arif is 4, the length is 4. On the other hand, if you write Rahman, it is not going to match because Rahman is 6, not matching this.
Okay, sir, got this.
Okay, and 1 to 5 is at least 1, then maximum. So if you write A to G 1 comma something, it is going to match Rahman because it does not have any upper one. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Sir, converts by true. ফার্স্টে কমা দিয়ে যদি আরেক নাম্বার লিখতে হন কি 0 থেকে ওই নাম্বার পর্যন্ত,
মানে পাইথনেরটা ব্যবহার করতে চাচ্ছেন?
না না, আমি এখানের মধ্যে আপনি কার্লি ব্রেসেস
মানে কমা 10
কমা দিয়ে আপনি 5 দিলেন, তাহলে কি 0 থেকে 5 পর্যন্ত ম্যাচ করবে?
সেটা আমরা দেখব। আমি কখন এটা টেস্ট করে দেখি, এটা তো পাইথনের স্ট্রাকচার, পাইথনই তো এটা করে, তাই না? Python
Yes, sir. Python and
uses
list.
this thing. Python, it is nothing but prefix, and that is nothing but postfix. We are going to test. Don't worry. আমি কখনো টেস্ট করে দেখি না এটা। আচ্ছা, এবার আসেন এটাতে। This one. We are going to test. Don't worry. আমি একটু little bit doubt এটাতেও ডাউট আছে। আমরা টেস্ট করে দেখব। আচ্ছা, escape characters and as part of user C explicitly. So this is nothing but escape. If you want to write new line, you have to write this escape and simple. Then star. You know what is star? What is star? Can star. Simple. Same. What is can star?
0 to infinity.
0 to infinity. So if you give A to G star, it will match 0 appearance of this, 0 to infinity appearance. If you give A to G plus, what it is going to match?
At
1 to
least
infinity.
one.
At least 1. Good. Question mark. Question mark is nothing but option. So what is option? Like this. Option. If you write something like this, question mark 0 to 9, this, then what happen? If you get digit, fine, it is going to match. If you does not get digit, it is going to escape it. It is say no, question mark. I can, I cannot. Option, can or cannot. This is the question mark. এবার আর বাকি থাকে কি? আচ্ছা, or Bijoy or Rahman or Arif. So it is going to match either Bijoy or Rahman or Arif. আর কি আছে? এটা তো বলেই দিয়েছি। এটা মানে হচ্ছে এটার ভিতরে whatever the string matches the string in ... এটা শেষ। বাকি থাকে আর কি? What?
স্যার O6 এ প্যারেনথেসিস কিভাবে ইউজ হয়?
POSIX এর parenthesis? কোন parenthesis? You want to match the parenthesis?
না না এইটাই।
If you want to match parenthesis, you can do this. This one, তারপর this. উল্টা করে দিয়েন তাহলে বেটার। This.
আপনার ক্যামেরা ইয়েতে বুকে স্যার।
Parenthesis.
আর বলছি যে প্যারেনথেসিস দিয়ে আর কি ইউজুয়ালি হাই লেভেল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গুলা গ্রুপ করে।
হ্যাঁ,
O6 এ এটা করে স্যার।
POSIX এর আপনি parenthesis কিভাবে ব্যবহার করবেন? আসছে। যে একটাই প্যারেনথেসিস আছে, একটাই ম্যাচ। সেটা হচ্ছে যে এটা তো AB, BC or CD. Am I right?
এন
This
বড়
one.
ইউজ করা।
Yes. So it is going to AB, BC or CD. So it's either going to match AB, BC or ABCD. Is it clear? This is the use of parenthesis. And if you want to match parenthesis, you will put it inside this quote, this way. Okay?
ওকে স্যার।
If you want to match something, so let's assume if you want to match, many ways you can do. If you want to match this, then you can put it under this. If you want to match this, you can put it under this. If you want to match this, you can put it under this. If you want to match this, you can put it under this.
And if you want to match the commas, the
Comma, okay, that's fine. এবং এগুলা প্রত্যেকটা একটা সব একসাথেও করা যায়। এই
স্যার কমা না, আই মেন্ট ওই যে ডাবল কি বলে এটা,
ডাবল কোটেশন
ডাবল কোটেশন, যেটাতে আপনি এগুলাকে র‍্যাপ করতেছেন।
এটার ভিতরে দিয়ে দিবেন, এটার ভিতরে আমার তো অপশন আছে, এটার মধ্যে দিবেন। It is going to match this. Everything. It is going to match this, and this. Okay. Now quotation এর ভিতরে দিবেন।
স্যার এখানটার মধ্যে ইয়েটার সাথে কনফ্লিক্ট করবে না? এখানটার মধ্যে
না করবে না, করবে না, এটা করবে না, এটা করবে না, এটা করবে না। আপনি যদি অন্যভাবে দেন, ওই সাইডে দেন, if you write this, then this, then it is going to conflict. Then it is one part, that is another part. But এইভাবে দিলে কনফ্লিক্ট করবে না, এইভাবে দিলে কনফ্লিক্ট করবে না। এসকেপ, আপনি এসকেপ বারবার করতে চাচ্ছেন, তো এসকেপটা হচ্ছে কি কেবলমাত্র সি এর এসকেপ গুলার জন্য, এগুলো সি এর এসকেপ না। দ্য লেট এই যে লিসেন, used to escape meta characters as a part of user C escape sequences. You can only escape C escape sequences like /n, /t. Those you can escape. Other /r, those you can escape. But other things you cannot escape in POSIX. That is the problem.
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
And special symbols in here you can also escape. Okay, like asterisk is a special character, special symbol in there, so you can escape. I think you are right, most probably. I'm going to try that. Most probably these things also can be escaped because they are special in actually in POSIX. Special characters in POSIX can itself can be escaped. We can try. You can try that one. Don't worry. You can try. Okay. So done. Finally, we have grouping done. Okay. So we are done with our structure. Now let's start writing the code. How can we write the code? So I'm going to show you two codes. Okay. So let's open our, let's enlarge this, right? CD, yes, yes. You can see my terminal, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see my terminal, right? Small CD, I will be. So let's write something. What would be the name of our file? Show the no confliction. Let's say pi test.l, and remember the Lex files have extension L. So how many parts are there? How many parts are there?
3 parts.
3 parts.
3 parts. So this is my first part. This is my second part. So here I'm going to write the regular expression. So what you want to make it. So let's give you the maximal munch example, and first come first serve example. Let's assume I have Bijoy. This is one. Another one is mine. Another is Bijoy Rahman Arif. So action is, for first one my action is printf matched 1. Second one my action is printf match 2. And third one is this. This would be, let's say, the action would be, let's say, echo. So I'm going to echo in, then printf any character. Okay. Echo printf any character. And I have uses printf, so that's why I have to incorporate the header. C header for printf. What is the C header for printf?
So
What is the C header?
what is echo doing here?
Echo is like Python, like Python echo.
Basically printing
Basically printing, right? Yes.
standard IO.
Standard error, yes.
Sir, what sort of file is it?
What sort of
File এটা
.l? Extension is .l. I don't get your question. What type of file is this mean? What do you mean by this?
দুইটি স্যার আমি এক্সটেনশনের কথাই জিজ্ঞেস করছি
L. L means lex. L means lex.
বুঝতে পেরেছি
And I have to use, so as I have uses printf, that's why I have to include what? stdio.
The head.
Storage. Good. So we are done.
স্যার
Now,
এটা উপরের স্যার প্যারেনথেসিসের কি বলি পার্সেন্টেজের পরে হবে না পার্সেন্টেজটা পরে হবে না
কোন percentage? কোনটা?
একদম
কোনটা?
তো
এটা?
এটা-
Sir, second curly braces এর percentage টা
পড়া হবে।
ব্র্যাকেটের
Thank
পরে
you. আপনারা খুব মনোযোগী থাকুন। Thank you. আমি এবার ট্রায়াল এন্ড এরর দিয়ে কোড করতে পছন্দ করি। তাতে বোঝা যায় মুভমেন্টটা। যাই হোক, you are right. So remember, when I'm going to compile this file, it is going to produce a special function that is actually lex output. And how can we get the lex output? Using YY lex. This function is going to be generated after compiling this. Okay. So if we want to see the output, we have to call this function. So how can I call this function? Let's create a main function because we want to make it full-fledged. We want to make it full-fledged C program. So there must have a main function. Then we're just calling here YYLX. So that whatever is going to create it, we're going to call. Another thing, best practice, it is called YYWrap. When you have multiple files, it is getting very useful. If you have multiple legs, if you have to join, this one is very useful. So I'm going to write that one as well, but right now it doesn't have a function. So that's it. This is my code. Now I'm going to run it.
Sir, can you explain why
YYWrap is the buffer, is the output of the YYWrap. Don't think about too much about YYWrap. This part is working. This part is useful whenever you have multiple lex files joined together. But here we have only one lex file, so don't worry about that one. But YYLex, it is very important. YYLex is nothing but after compilation, this code is going to generate a function called YYLex. And basically that is a buffer. That buffer is going to give you the output of the lex file, output of the lex code. So if we want to see the output, we have to call YYLex. Clear? Okay, so let's start. How can I compile? Flex test L. Premature URL. So that's all. What is the problem? Premature URL. Cannot premature URL.
তো লাস্টে কি ওই দুইটা পার্সেন্টেজ হবে না
কোথাও কি সেমিকলন মিস করেছি? Line 25. So let's go to line 25.
Last maybe percentage then नहीं.
25 line number to 9. Right. 25. I don't know. 25. আমার মনে হয় আপনারাই ভুল করেছেন, এটা মনে হয় উল্টাটাই। আই থিঙ্ক সো, উল্টাই, জানি না, কনফিউজ হয়ে গেছি। দেখি, I'm right. So people are wrong. I was right. It is flipped. Did you get it? Teaching is very difficult. Sometimes people getting confused.
Yes, sir.
If I'm not careful enough, the whole day would be gone through finding this problem. So that is the problem. It is flipped. Remember, okay. Don't always intervene. Now, after compilation, so when I compile flex test.l, then what happened? It's going to be a special file. It is called lex.yy.c. Lex.yy.c. And this is the actually output generated by the Lex compiler after compilation. Now I'm going to, as I'm going to make it the full size code, I'm going to compile it again. So, because I have a main method inside my Lex file, that's why without creating any YAC file, I can work with this. So, gcc -o, paste, then call it lex.yy.c. I compile it. There's a problem. What is the problem? Expected. Okay, expected this before. Okay, I understand. There's a problem. So, what is the problem? Problem is like this. Problem is I put it outside. Put it outside. So I put it inside. So let's go over here. Hit here. Now save it. Now let's not listen. Okay. Now let's compile it again, and it is fine. Now let's run. If I give bjoy, what is going to be printing? What is it is going to printing? Which one? What is it is going to printing?
5 1.
Matching 1. Matching 1. It is going to print. Why it is like this? Oh, capital B. So, if I give capital B, I, J, O, Y, what is this going to printing? Tell me. Matching 1. Match 1. On the other hand, if I give Bijoy, Rahman, Arif, what it is going to printing? It is going to print match 2. Now, if you give another characters, let's say Rajiv, what it is going to printing? It is going to print each character. At first it match R, then it match A, then J, then I, then V. Did you get it? Now, let's play more. Let's give you a more flexible. For example, let's say I have 1101. Okay? 1101 and printed matched 3. And I have also another one, something like this. 0, 0, 1 plus. Where is my plus? Plus. Printf matched 4. Now, if I give, after compilation, if I give 1101, which one it is going to match? Tell me.
First একটা
First একটা,
Match
but
three.
second to match করে 01 plus. But can it first একটা match? Why it is going to match first one?
first come first serve.
First come first serve. Good. তাহলে let's go over there. So let's compile it. Text.place.m. GCC. Okay. So what is my output? 11 110, right? 1101. So what is it is going to match? Match 3. Now, if I give 110101, what is going to be out? See. If I give 110101, what would be the output? This code 110101. What would be the output?
3 ম্যাচ করে
Match 4. Why?
3 ম্যাচ করে তারপর 4 ম্যাচ করবে না?
কি হচ্ছে? হ্যাঁ, আপনি এটা বলছেন, কিন্তু আউটপুট হবে ম্যাচ 4। দেখেন, ওর কথাটা ঠিকই আছে, ওর লজিকটা ঠিক। So at first I match 1101, I'm printing match 3, I remain 01, I'm going to match 01 over there. But see the output. One one zero one. Match 3. 110101. Match 4. Only the match 4 is out. Why?
ও কি একটা ম্যাচ করার চেষ্টা করে?
Maximal match. I can
It's
match
because of
1101 in the match 3. I can match wait. I can match 1101 in match 3. Then I can match 01 in match 4. Fine. But 01 plus, there I can match the whole thing. Because of maximal match, I'm going to match over there. So that's it. Did you get it?
Yes.
You get it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
01 plus. So I can match 1101 then 01 all together. So that's why I'm going to match 4. Okay, done. Now let's go to. I really want to write a code for calculator. Now let's write a code for calculator. I'm going to do it very quickly. Yes, the calculator one. Calculator one. Remember? So let's do that. VI calcu what's sum repeat plus summer 20 dot yak file extension is y. Cal sum calcu sum 21. Okay. So I'm going to write it very quickly. See, 3 parts are there. Then here I'm going to write the grammar. What is the grammar for calculator? E derives E plus T. So let's call it expression plus term or term. So My expression is nothing but capital E or this.
স্যার
Nice.
এটা এক লাইনে লেখা যেত না স্যার?
না এক লাইনে লেখা যাবে না, দুইটা না, এই যে আমাদের or and
গ্রামার
term grammar lecture, yes, grammar lecture. The term is nothing but term matching star PM malt or malt this, and malt is nothing but what? Malt is nothing but I'm going to match দ্রুত করছি কোডটা, please don't mind. I'm returning back to exponential or this one or number and add. So this is add. So let's make it more precise. The augment is nothing but exp but and st is nothing but exit or arg st. This is my grammar, simple. St is S, augmented is the E dash, exp is E, T is T, term is T, multi is M, number is the number I match, exit, acha, let's talk about this. So, ekhane grammar is different. In grammar, capital letters are always variable and small letters are actually terminal. Ekhane ulta, flipped. Capital letters are considered as terminals and small letters are considered as variable. They're a bit different. They write it different. Now we are done. In this part, I have to define what is my start symbol. So how can we define? You write start. What is my start? Start is nothing but ST. Then you are going to define a special data structure. You have to define it. Union. What is my union? In my union, I have two things. One is my integer num or one is integer num, one is character C. আচ্ছা, এবার আমাকে ডিফাইন করতে হবে what are my variables and what are my terminals. টার্ম শব্দটা দেওয়াটা উচিত হয় না, টার্মটা হচ্ছে এটার সাথে ক্ল্যাশ করে।
টার্মিনাল একটা স্পেলিং হলো, এটা নিচেরটা
ছোটটা করে তার করে। So I have to define what are my variables and what are my terminals. So terminals is actually defined by this one, term. So what are my terms here? What are my terms here? What are my terms here?
AUG, EXP, malt.
No, those are variables. Term are terminals. What are my terminals here?
Oh, exit,
Exit,
end,
exit,
num.
and
exit, and
num.
now. Good.
স্যার প্লাস স্টার
what?
এগুলা
ওগুলো তো এমনি ক্যারেক্টার হিসেবে আমরা রিড করতেছি, ওগুলো তার টার্মিনাল না, তো ওইখানে গ্রামারই রিড হয়েছে। And what type of are those actually? What are those type? What are those type? ওদের টাইপটা কি হবে?
Operators. অপারেটরস
না, তাদের টাইপ হবে নাম। দ্যাট টাইপ অফ নাম। They are নাম। টাইপ অফ নাম। Right. That's it. Yes. ওটা আজকে শেষ করা যাবে না। যতটুকু পারি করি। আচ্ছা, another thing which is called type. What are types? Actually, nothing but variables. So what are the variables? There's type of a noun. They're actually st. What are those? st, arg, st, arg, exp, then st, arg, exp, star, merge, what else? What else? st, arg, exp, star, merge. Anything else? No, done. So these are my definition.
ডেফিনেশন টাইপ বলতে কি ভ্যারিয়েবল বোঝাচ্ছেন না?
Variables, yes. Types are variables. Then come to the action. Action part. Acha. We are going to write the action part. What should be action here? exp equal to exp plus star. What would be the action? What would be the action? The value of this exp is what? Value of this exp will be what? The value of this exp is what?
সাম অফ ইএক্সপি এন্ড তার
Sum of right hand side exp and terminal. Am I right? So left hand side exp is denoted by double dollar. So double dollar is the left hand side. Right hand side this exp. This is the appearance at the first place. So this would be 1 plus of 2, not 3. 2 is plus, 3 is terminal. Did you understand this?
2 is plus and 3 star.
2 is plus, 3 is position, third position is star. So dollar would be $1 plus $3.
বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Then what would be the second one? What would be the second action?
$dollar equals $1.
What would be the second? $dollar equal to $1. ওটা লেখা লাগে না কারণ that is default. What we have? $, what? $1 star $3 star. এটা লেখা লাগবে না। এটা লেখা লাগবে $$ equal to $2 এটাও লেখা লাগবে না $$ কিন্তু $1 এই হচ্ছে আমার অ্যাকশন পার্ট ডান অলরাইট we should stop here today next class we are going to deal with this don't worry so if you have any question you can ask
স্যার এটা শেষ করে দিয়ে যান স্যার।
তাড়াহুড়া করতে কোনটা তারপর এটা লেক্স কল লিখতে হবে লেক্স অ্যাকাউন্ট ফর হ্যাঁ
আমরা শেষ করে দিতে
এটা
পারি?
মোটামুটি শেষ হ্যাঁ
মানে এই পার্টটা আর কি শেষ করে দিয়ে গেলে আমরা হয়তো এটা প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারতাম ওর সাথে।
আচ্ছা এটা শেষ করে দিয়ে যাবো আচ্ছা তাহলে পুরোটা শেষ করে দিয়ে যায় তারপর হচ্ছে কি আমার এখানে লিখতে হবে মানে এই পার্টটা লিখতে হবে this one এটা লিখলাম এখানে হচ্ছে কি যে ফাইলগুলো আমরা ইয়া করব সেগুলো আমরা আপলোড করব তাহলে কি কি ফাইল আমরা আপলোড করব এখানে কি কি ফাইল আপলোড করব আচ্ছা এখানে আরেকটা জিনিস ফাইনালি এখানে যাওয়ার পর রিচিং হিয়ার টু প্রিন্ট printf control D and automatic printing print করবো after printing this এখানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে exit আসলে কি করবো return 0 done so as I have used printf so definitely include std তারপর একটা মেইন ফাইল থাকবে মেইন ফাইলটা কি হবে main file is going to return another buffer generated by cat file what is that called yyparse so it is going to return yyparse তারপর error গুলা print করার জন্য that should have a it is optional I create one yy error character star s and I'm going to f printf percentile s std java and হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমি প্রিন্ট করি this all right finally so I have to call here like this. And then while next time my buffer call করতে হবে to back আর এটা হচ্ছে external শেষ whole code is done am I making mistake with that down why is this coming so let's try to complement it. So let's call this let's call this
External spellingটা ভুল
Python not a problem. Malt has not declared objectives. কিভাবে এটাকে অ্যানুলার ব্র্যাকেট করব? Term name, term has no method tar. Which line? Line number. Tar is used, but it's not defined as a token has no result. It will mean tar. Gaussian equation. Yes, set number. Gaussian. Oh, fine, good. I got it. Done. This is done. Pass. Done. Finish. Now, after this compilation, see, when I compile bison minus d calcium 20.y, what it is creating? It's creating a two files actually. One is called simcal O2. So no, sorry, I'm at the summer. Cal summer. Let's come summer. Cal. Let's come over here. It is going to creating two files. Cal summer 20 tab.c. This is the output. This is the output of Bison, and it also create a header file because I have given the flag -d. So cal summer 20 tab.h. This is also a file. So do you have any query? Next class we are going to finish this. Okay? Do you have any query? You can ask me. Come on, guys. Any query, guys?
No, sir.
Yes, no, yes.
No, sir.
That's the yak file.
বুঝতে পেরেছি স্যার। এটা
You don't have any query?
স্যার এটা আমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করে দিতে পারবেন স্যার?
অবশ্যই অবশ্যই, সবই তো আপনাদের জন্য নাকি, সব আপনাদের জন্য।
হ্যাঁ, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
তারপর একবার দেখবো ভালো মতো, আমি আগে পুরো কোডটা করবো একবার নিজে, কোনো ভুল টুল থাকলে সেটা কারেকশন করে। ঠিক আছে, টুডে স্টপ হিয়ার টুডে।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is
Yes, sir.
you can stop. Have a good day. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.